Here I have TECNO Pova 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can switch your hotspot here. You can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can change its IP band. You can also display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can set up one-time data limit. You can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. You can also use it for USB tethering and for Bluetooth tethering. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.